Hi, Emmanuel here, and you probably found this video because you're looking into this 12-minute affiliate. You're looking for a 12-minute affiliate review, or maybe you found out about it, and you're thinking to yourself, is it any good? Does it actually work? Can I actually use it to make some money online? Okay, so I'm going to go into all of that in a second, but if you're new to the channel, firstly I want to say hi. I want to say welcome. If you are enjoying the channel, then please just take a second and hit the subscribe button below. It'll just be below. Also remember to just tick on the bell icon so that anytime I do release a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And I'm doing that regularly. Anything I find out, anything I think might help you online with your trading or with making money online, then I'm putting a video out there. So make sure you don't miss out on that. Just hit that subscribe button below. Also, as well as that, you don't need to stay to the end, but I've also got a 4-part affiliate marketing course that will teach you how to do really well with affiliate marketing. I've broken it all down, and if you're interested in that, again, links for that will be in the description. Just click on that and you'll get completely free access to my 4-part affiliate marketing course. Okay, so let's get started. So this is previously known as the 12-minute affiliate. He's now changed the name and he's called it the easiest system ever. It's by a guy called Devin Brown, and I was actually in it. I was in the 12-minute affiliate and I left it, and I'll give you the reasons as to why I left it in a minute. But firstly, let's just go through the actual system. So Devin Brown, if you've seen him, he's a very charismatic type guy, really loud. He was a bit OTT for me, but he's good for selling. When you're promoting something, when you're actually promoting a system, you want that person to be able to convert sales, and he can do that. So if you're sending traffic to his sites, some of that will convert, and it did convert for me as well. Do you know what I mean? I don't know why he changed the name. Who knows? Maybe 12-minute affiliate was getting a bit of a bad name, but he did change the name. It's still a ClickBank product, so you can actually just promote it via ClickBank without actually buying the product. But I'm a firm believer that you should be a product of the product. You should actually go and have a look at it to see, that it's good or not, because I don't want to promote something that's not any good. So once it's a completely closed system. So that means that you're actually just promoting and selling this stuff on ClickBank, but it gives you all the tools you need to sell it. So if you're a newbie and you don't know about things like opt-in pages, bridge pages and all that, it's all done for you. It's one of those complete done for you systems sort of thing. So how it will work is if you get involved, he'll have what we call opt-in pages. So it'll be those pages where you go and leave your email address, your name and email address. Now, they're quite dated, the ones he was letting you use. Do you know what I mean? That I used to use. They're the type of opt-in pages that when you look at them, you think, okay, yeah, this is that system, and you don't really want people to ever think that. So that's one of the things that I think was a cross. But if you don't know what you're doing, you can use them. They're nice enough. They're the ones with the Lamborghinis and the fancy houses around that work on people's subliminal brains and make them put their email address in, sort of thing. And then once you've opted in, you can also have a bridge page, again, which he encourages, and it helps you to do that as well. And then it brings you to this page here. So this is the first page you'll come to. Is the number 1 easiest way to start an online home-based business. Another quick video with him, or it's a cartoon video actually. And then you can go down and read the page yourself. But then after that comes, after you press the site here, he's then it brings you to this page and asks you to register for your spot. Again, he sells it via a webinar. It's a webinar sales, but you can see the copy is really nice. It's quite engaging. It's a long form copy, but it is engaging. You get a free webinar. It's an auto webinar that he's put together, and this is it here. We'll have a little listen to him now.
Well, hey there, everyone. Welcome to this very special presentation. I'm not sure where in the world you're watching, so good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, good night, from wherever you are around the world.
Anyway, I'm going to stop that now. So you can see he's quite engaging. He's a really kind of engaging guy, and so he's going to go through that 1-hour webinar, and then he's going to try and sell you on it. So the actual prices for it, they split it up into 3 niches. Yeah, and the price for one of the niches, so the 3 niches first are make money online, one of the most popular ones, I would say. The second one is health and wellness, and then the third one is personal development. So if you get involved, you can either pick one of those niches to promote, or you can pick all 3 of the niches to promote. Yeah. If you're just going to promote one niche, then it's $47 per month, or a one-time payment, and you don't have to pay any more, of $397. And if you're an affiliate of it, you'll get half of that. However, if you decide, or somebody that your prospect decides they want to promote all 3 niches, then it's $97 per month, or one-time payment of $797, a one-time payment. Yeah. So how it would work then, just say you got involved, you would have the whole system, like I said, is done for you. You'd have the opt-in pages, you'd have the bridge pages, you'd have the use of this, you'd have your own personal page like this where it's coded to you. So your people would come through with your code in here, and if somebody bought off this page, you would get your commission, whichever they bought, whether they bought the 1 niche one or the 3 niche one. Yeah. And then that would be it. So then you would make commissions that way. Do you know? So you can see it's all done for you. As a newbie, you don't have to worry about all that sort of stuff, you know, because if you had to put all that together yourself and you didn't know what you're doing, it can be quite confusing. If you have to put an opt-in page together, a bridge page together, and then do the marketing and then do all of that sort of stuff. So as a closed system, it does work. It does work, and it did get you sales. Yeah, and it did get me sales, but it didn't get me sales the way he promotes you to get sales. Yeah. Now, so there are good and bad then sort of thing. So the good parts is that it's a closed system. It's completely done for you. You've got Devon Brown doing the sales, and he's a good salesperson, and you will make sales. And you know, you'll make either the $47 sales, or you'd make the $97 sales, or maybe people will upgrade, so it's got some good elements to it. Because I say if you're going to promote an affiliate marketing product, it should have 2 things. It should have that recurring income. Yeah. So that if you do the work to get a person in, you want to be paid every month, or it should have that higher paid, you know, the higher tier. A high payment. Yeah. So either you get half of that 397 or you get half of that 797. It makes it worth your while to get that person in. And as well as that, some of the other things he gives you as well. He also encourages you to get Aweber, which is an autoresponder, because you're going to be sending emails. And he gives you the email sequences, the follow-up. So people opt in, you get to keep that list as well. Then he's promoting this, the easiest system ever. And then after a while, the emails go on to other ClickBank products in the niche that you chose. So they'll be getting loads and loads of messages about that. You know, it's just old school affiliate marketing. You just try and sell people on email, and you will make some sales. You will make some sales. But here's the thing. This is the reason I left. There was a few reasons I left. One, that's very old school. Yeah, he does also encourage you to sell this via solo ads. And I don't believe in solo ads. I don't think they work very well, because the lists are usually really weak. The people on the list will opt in, so you will get a lot of people opting in. You'll get a big list being built, but the amount of sales you're going to make is very small if you don't know if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know any other form of marketing. And he doesn't teach a lot of other forms of marketing. He does have other things like a Facebook group. He has like a training on a webinar as well. I think that when I was in it, when it was 12-minute affiliate, it used to be once a month. And then he'd have his Facebook group, which was just kind of teaching lessons without trying to upsell people on that sort of thing. So there was support. There was definitely support. But it was very, very like buy solo ads, and he was selling solo ads on his site as well. It's like the more solo ads you buy, you will get a sell. You will get a sell, and obviously you will. If you buy like 5,000 names on a solo ad, you're going to get 1 sell maybe. Do you know what I mean? But you're not gonna make very much money, and you're not gonna convert really well. Do you know? There's the problem with it. Solo ads don't convert, and if you don't know any other form of marketing, if you don't know how maybe to do Facebook videos, or to do Facebook marketing, or to do YouTube, or to do blogging, or to do, I don't know, even newsletters, something else apart from solo ads. You know, the only reason I made this work is because I know how to market using YouTube, and that's what I teach in my course. I also know how to add what we call a value series. It can't just all be about Devon Brown. You have to be part of that series. You have to be teaching people what they're going to get from Devon Brown. It's not just Devon Brown doing it, because he's just promoting himself, really. Do you know? And this was the final kicker for me. This was the reason I really left. He has, right, so imagine you've gone and bought a solo ad. People come in, maybe they might buy the $47 product as well, but he continues to market them, obviously trying to sell them on more ClickBank products. And if he does make a sell on any other ClickBank product, you get a commission, you get that commission. But he's also promoting his own private tuition, his own private coaching, which now costs thousands of dollars. Yeah, it can cost up to $25,000 to have a private coaching session with him. But if one of your people that you brought in, so say I brought a lead into his system here, and that person upgrades and buys the $25,000 private coaching from him, I don't get any of that. I don't get any of that commission. And I didn't like that, because if I make you a $25,000 commission due to my marketing, I should get a little bit of that. Even if I get $5,000 of that, it's the incentive. That's the incentive for me to market for you. It's fine. I might get half of an $800 commission if they buy the biggest package. That's $400. But then that person may go on to buy a $25,000 package from you, and I'm not going to get any of that. And then the other thing is, when he was sending emails out and telling them about his Facebook training, he'll be on Facebook telling them about stuff, and I'll be like, but what if they want to buy from the Facebook? It's not coded to me. So if somebody goes to his Facebook training and thinks, well, I really like this program, I want to buy it, there's no way they can buy it. They have to buy it off him. So you're taking out the picture. So there was little bits like that I didn't like. And plus as well, the support people that he had, one of them was his girlfriend. And I thought she didn't even understand marketing. So I got to a point where, listen, I liked the program. I did like the program. And I thought it was great for a newbie marketer who doesn't know what they're doing. But there was those little bits that I thought, no, it's only focused on solo ads mainly as a marketing method. It's only, you don't get any commissions on the higher end. He's private training, and not all the sales are coded to you. So you're going to be losing out on sales, you know, if he does it by Facebook or he does his private coaching. So for me, that's why I stepped out of it. But so good and bad, I would say as a newbie marketer, it's good. If you're happy to use solo ads, and give that a go. Give it a go if you want. Once you get a few sales, you feel good about it. But when you want to really market properly, you need to know how to get leads. And that's one of the things that I can help you with, which is what I'm giving you with my free 4-part course. It will teach you how you can actually get leads and get sales yourself. Do you know? So anyway, listen, I hope that helped. I hope that helped with your decision on this easiest system ever. For me, I dropped out. It just wasn't for me because of those reasons. But if you're new to this, then why not give it a go? There are some positives with this system. Do you know what I mean? And Devin Brown is a good marketer as well. So he'll help you convert some of those sales. Do you know? But like I said, me personally, you know, these sort of things, well, I've been in affiliate marketing for years now, and I used to promote with solo ads, and it just wasn't working for me. Do you know what I mean? I actually got to a point where I just gave it all up. But I was lucky. I met 2 mentors, and they taught me the correct way to market. They taught me how to get leads properly, convert those leads into sales, and do that on a regular basis, consistent basis. And that's what I teach now in this free 4-part affiliate marketing course, that if you want to have it, it's available to you. All you got to do is just scroll down. It'll be in the description. Click on that, and you get completely free access to that 4-part affiliate marketing course. All right, once again, thanks for listening. I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you have any questions at all, anything you want to ask about this, then please don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. All right, till next time. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.